In this video, I want to show you how our integration with vehicle visuals will help you add high-quality explainer videos to your online authorization documents. This will give you a powerful tool to help further enhance your communication with customers. So in this example, we've got a vehicle inspection estimate and we're using groups to price this job. You can see that many of the groups already have some media attached. Now these are both videos that I've previously added from vehicle visuals and also images taken by the technician during the vehicle inspection. The brake fluid change group at the top, if I click on media count and I click on add vehicle visuals, I'm presented with a list of more than 400 videos, each with a description explaining what happens. If I want to watch one of them so I can see, if I select the line, go to the three dots at the top and preview, it will open the video so that I can view it. I can also search for the appropriate video. So say I want this brake fluid replacement video, I select it, it's now been added to that group. I can back out of this page. You can see there's now a count of 1. I can add as many videos or images that I'd like per group. So if we now preview this to see what the customer would see. Here's the online document, and if we scroll down to the groups, there's the images that the technician took and the accompanied videos from vehicle visuals. And if you were to click on one of the videos, it will load up for the customer to see. And of course, they're all in the gallery at the bottom of the document as well. Back in Garage Hive, these can also be added directly to the service packages. So if you've got service package versions that you're using regularly, you can specifically choose appropriate vehicle visual videos to attach to those versions. So if I head over to service packages and we carry on using brakes as an example, in this service package there's a brake fluid change version. If I scroll to the right hand side, there's a media count. If I click on that, again, add vehicle visuals, search for the video I'm looking for, make the selection, back out of the media card, and you will see that this service package version now has media attached. That now means every time this service package version is used, it'll automatically apply that media card, and that also applies if you're using service packages through our vehicle inspection text template feature as well. I hope that was a useful video for you. If you have any questions or queries over our vehicle visuals integration, please contact a member of the team.